Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use redirection jump in Volleyball Legends. This advanced technique lets you alter your spike trajectory while airborne, making it incredibly difficult for opponents to predict your attack. Mastering this move can significantly elevate your offensive game, allowing you to bypass even the most formidable blocks. It's all about timing and precision, turning a potential block into a scoring opportunity. Let's dive into the specifics of how to execute this powerful maneuver. To perform a redirection jump, first, execute a standard jump for a spike. As you reach the absolute apex of your jump, press the designated redirection button. Simultaneously, input your desired direction using the joystick or directional pad. This precise timing, within a window of about 1/3 of a second, is vital for a successful redirection. Practice this sequence to build muscle memory and ensure smooth execution during intense rallies. It's a quick, fluid motion. Strategically, the redirection jump is most effective against single blockers, allowing you to easily bypass their defense by spiking into the wide-open court. When facing a formidable double block, aim for the seam between the two blockers or target the deep corners of the court. This technique creates unexpected angles, forcing your opponents to react quickly and often unsuccessfully. It's a fantastic way to maintain offensive pressure and convert difficult setups into points. To truly master the redirection jump, consistent practice is key. Spend time in training mode focusing solely on the timing of your button press at the peak of your jump. Experiment with various directional inputs to discover new and unpredictable spiking angles. Aim for a success rate of at least 80% in practice before taking it into competitive matches. This dedication will transform your offensive game, making you a much more unpredictable and dangerous attacker on the court.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.